Hello, AGXPay wallet user. It is of the most importance that you know how to restore your AGXPay wallet in the event of loss or damaged smartphone or tablet. It has come to our attention that many users have not stored their 12 words recuperation phrase in a safe location. As a precaution, you must do this immediately. Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open your AGXPay mobile wallet and press the menu button located on the top left corner of your screen. Now, go to the Settings category and you will notice several options there. Press the Show Recovery Phrase option. You can now see the recovery phrase. You must print, laminate, store, and put in a safe location so you can access it in the event that you require to reset your AGXPay mobile wallet. If you fail to do this, you could be at risk of losing your AGX and AGX coin stored in the Syscoin network. Thank you.